The world is changing fast. Technology is evolving at an unprecedented rate, reshaping our financial systems. Enter cryptocurrency, a revolutionary digital currency. Imagine a world without banks, where transactions are instant and fees minimal. This is the promise of the crypto revolution. This essay is your guide to this new frontier. We'll break down complex concepts into digestible bites. Consider this your roadmap to understanding the crypto revolution. So, what exactly is cryptocurrency? In essence, it's digital money, secured by cryptography and operating independently of traditional financial institutions. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning no single entity controls them. Think of it like digital gold, but instead of being mined from the earth, it's mined using complex computer algorithms. Transactions occur directly between users, recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain. More on that later. This eliminates the need for intermediaries like banks, resulting in faster transactions, lower fees, and increased transparency. Cryptocurrencies leverage the power of cryptography, ensuring secure and tamper-proof transactions. This innovative approach to money has the potential to revolutionize how we transact, invest, and interact with the financial world. To truly grasp the power of cryptocurrency, one must delve into the ingenious technology that underpins it, the blockchain. Imagine a digital ledger distributed across countless computers worldwide, recording every single transaction in a secure and transparent manner. This is the essence of blockchain technology. Each block in the chain contains a record of multiple transactions. Once a block is added to the chain, it becomes a permanent and unalterable part of the ledger. This decentralized and immutable nature of blockchain technology ensures security, transparency, and trust. It's like having a public record of every transaction ever made, accessible to everyone, yet virtually impossible to tamper with. This groundbreaking technology has the potential to revolutionize not only finance, but also fields like supply chain management, voting systems, and digital identity verification. In the realm of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin reigns supreme. Created in 2009 by the enigmatic Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin was the first successful decentralized cryptocurrency, paving the way for the crypto revolution we see today. It's digital gold, scarce, divisible, and easily transferable. Bitcoin operates on its own blockchain, a public ledger that records every Bitcoin transaction ever made. This decentralized nature means no single entity controls Bitcoin, making it resistant to censorship and manipulation. Its limited supply, capped at 21 million coins, makes it inherently deflationary, potentially hedging against inflation. While its price can be volatile, Bitcoin's first-mover advantage, brand recognition, and growing adoption have cemented its place as the leading cryptocurrency, paving the way for a new era of decentralized finance. Section 5. Exploring the altcoin universe. Ethereum and Beyond. While Bitcoin may be the king, it's not the only player in the crypto game. Thousands of altcoins, or alternative cryptocurrencies, have emerged, each with its own unique features and functionalities. Ethereum, often hailed as the second largest cryptocurrency, takes the blockchain concept a step further. Instead of just being a digital currency, Ethereum is a platform for decentralized applications, or dApps, and smart contracts. These self-executing contracts automate agreements, eliminating the need for intermediaries. This opens up a world of possibilities, from decentralized finance, or DeFi, to non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. Litecoin, another popular altcoin, aims to be the silver to Bitcoin's gold. offering faster transaction speeds and lower fees. As the crypto space evolves, exploring the diverse world of altcoins can be an exciting and potentially rewarding endeavor. Section 6. Taking the plunge. Your first steps into crypto investing. Ready to join the crypto revolution? Taking your first steps into crypto investing can seem daunting, but it's simpler than you might think. The first step is choosing a reputable cryptocurrency exchange. These platforms act as intermediaries, allowing you to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies using fiat currency like dollars or euros. Once you've created an account and completed the necessary verification processes, you can start buying your desired cryptocurrencies. It's crucial to start small and invest only what you can afford to lose. Diversifying your portfolio across different cryptocurrencies can help mitigate risk. Remember, the crypto market is highly volatile, and prices can fluctuate significantly. Consider using dollar-cost averaging, investing small amounts regularly to average out your purchase price over time. Section 7. Navigating the crypto landscape. Risks and safeguards. While the potential rewards of crypto investing are enticing, it's crucial to approach this exciting new frontier with caution. The crypto market is highly volatile, and prices can swing dramatically. Invest only what you can afford to lose. Security is paramount. Choose a reputable exchange with robust security measures and enable two-factor authentication. Store your cryptocurrency securely, ideally in a hardware wallet. Be wary of scams and phishing attempts. Never share your private keys with anyone. Knowledge is your best defense. Do your research and invest responsibly. Section 8. The Future of Finance, Decentralization and Beyond. The crypto revolution is more than just digital currencies. It's about reclaiming control of our financial lives. Decentralization, the core principle behind cryptocurrencies, has the potential to reshape not only finance, but also various aspects of our digital world. Imagine a world where financial services are accessible to all, regardless of location or credit score, where supply chains are transparent and tamper-proof, where digital identities are secure and under our control. This is the promise of blockchain technology and the decentralized future it enables. While challenges and uncertainties lie ahead, the potential for positive disruption is immense. As we venture further into the uncharted territory of the crypto revolution, one thing is certain. The future of finance is decentralized, and it's brimming with opportunities for those who dare to explore. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the crypto revolution. The crypto revolution is upon us, ushering in a new era of finance and technology. From Bitcoin, the pioneering digital gold, to Ethereum, the platform for decentralized applications, the world of cryptocurrency offers exciting possibilities for innovation and disruption. As you embark on your crypto journey, remember, knowledge is power. Take the time to learn about different cryptocurrencies, understand the technology behind them, and familiarize yourself with the risks and safe practices involved. The crypto space is constantly evolving, so staying informed is crucial. Embrace the volatility, but invest responsibly. The future of finance is being written in code, and it's up to us to shape it. Section 10. Disclaimer. Proceed with caution and due diligence. This essay is intended for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and involves significant risks. Before making any investment decisions, it is crucial to conduct thorough research, consult with a qualified financial advisor, and understand your own risk tolerance. The author and publisher of this essay are not responsible for any financial losses incurred as a result of information presented herein. Remember, investing in cryptocurrencies carries inherent risks, and it is essential to proceed with caution and due diligence.